Here's a great deal on this 2006 Toyota Tacoma double cab pre-runner pickup. The price is reduced due to a Carfax caution for a potential odometer rollback, but it still offers great value. It has a dealer service history and a recent major service valued at over $4,415. This is a dealer certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty, plus a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price in addition to the advertised price. Be sure to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO warranty and service plan. You can also upgrade the CPO warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. Visit us today and check out this Toyota Tacoma.